All right, so you're thinking about moving to Sewell's Point. Here's the 5 things you want to know. The safety in Sewell's Point, the amenities in Sewell's Point, the restaurants in Sewell's Point, the hospitals in Sewell's Point, and the schools in Sewell's Point. I'm going to go over all of that in this video. Stay tuned. My name is Haigh, and I lead a team of professionals that can help you if you're thinking about moving to Sewell's Point or any of the other areas in the Treasure Coast of South Florida. We can help you. Call me, text me, or reach out, get on our calendar link, and we'd love to have a conversation with you about your real estate needs in Stuart, Sewell's Point, or any of the Treasure Coast area. So if you're thinking about moving to Sewell's Point, one of the overarching things is the amenities in Sewell's Point. Very, very easy walking in Sewell's Point. You'll see people out with their dogs. You'll see these parks. Right now, we're in the Sewell's Point Community Park. There's little spots over here where you can get some books. The kids can play. You can dip in the water over here. It's just a beautiful, beautiful spot. So all in all, Sewell's Point is about community. It feels almost like a gated community. That's the amenities that we're talking about. Walking, biking, running. You're never going to have an issue with worrying about any of those kind of things. All right, so Bruiser and I are on the east side of Sewell's Point. One of the things that I want you to think about is it's a point because it's actually a peninsula which comes down. It's about 4 square miles of land, so you're going to be able to get your yacht or a large sailboat on that west side of Sewell's Point. On this east side is very shallow. All of the docks out here go out quite a ways. On the east side here is going to be more of bay boats and that because it's a little bit more shallow on the east side. All right, so one of the unique things about living in Sewell's Point is the safety. This is one of the safest places to live in South Florida. Why is that? For the 4 square miles that this encompasses, they actually have their own police force. One of the other unique things about Sewell's Point is they have their own building department. So we're here at the town hall here right now. And if you want to get a permit and so forth, you don't have to go through the county, you don't have to go through the city, and you're not going to really have to worry about any of it. Again, it's one of the safest places to live in South Florida. You're thinking about moving to Sewell's Point and you're wondering if there's any amenities available. Well, in front of the Harbor Bay Plaza, there's a lot of different things here. You'll see Stringer's in the background, which is a fantastic restaurant. Right up the road is Benihana's, the famous Benihana's. You got shoe stores in here, you got a pharmacy, there's bistros. You don't even have to leave Sewell's Point for any of the things that you want in your life, from eating, shopping, or that little pharmacy that's over here on the corner. Some of the additional benefits of living in Sewell's Point is its close proximity to Martin Memorial North. Now, this is part of the Cleveland Clinic, which is one of the top healthcare facilities in the country. Now, here you're actually standing in front of the Cancer Center. There's also a cardiac unit. Another benefit of living in Sewell's Point is its proximity to these hospitals, some of the top healthcare in the country. So you're thinking about moving to Sewell's Point, you're wondering about schools. Well, right now I'm in front of the J.D. Parker. Now, this is going to be where the elementary school is that you're going to go to. Also, there is Stuart Middle School. Your high school you're going to be looking at is Jensen Beach High. These are all incredibly great schools, some of the top schools in Florida. There's some great private schools around here as well. The Pine School actually has an elementary school here as well, which is one of the top private schools in the country. And then also the Pine School is in Hope Sound, and you can bust your kids down there. So there's some top schools, both private and public. Now, if you don't want to do your own research, you can, of course, reach out to us, text us, or call us, or you can have the link below to get on our Calendly and we can talk to you about some of the top schools in the area. We'd love to help you out. All right, so you're thinking about what kind of prices are there in Sewell's Point. There's all kinds of different spots around Sewell's Point with all kinds of different price points. As of right now, there was 51 homes that are listed and or sold that were not on the water in Sewell's Point. The top home sold for $2.1 million. And the lowest price home was right around $599,000, and that average sale price was right around $395 per square foot. Right now, all of these properties in here are on the water. Now, this is in the archipelago. There was actually more homes that were on the market and sold. 71 units in the last year. Now, the top home sold for $12 million. Now, the lowest price home actually sold for $600,000 on the water, but the average price point was around $599 per square foot. Now, remember, we're in the archipelago here, so you're going to be on the upper price point. This is a very unique area. There's only a few homes that are in the archipelago which are 3 little islands which sprout out of the bottom southeast portion of Sewall's Point. This is the archipelago. I've sold a few homes in here. Very, very unique areas. So as you can tell, we are experts in this area. We know the price points. We know the square footages. If you're thinking about buying in Sewall's Point or any of these other areas, please reach out. My phone number is below, or jump on the calendar. We'd love to have a conversation with you, not just about Sewall's Point, about any other area that you're thinking about buying in the South Florida area. So if you're from afar and you're thinking you'd like to check out one of the homes in Sewall's Point, check out this video here. This is a custom home that I did in Sewall's Point with Bruiser as well. He didn't have a suit on. But if you'd like maybe to do a live tour of a property in Sewall's Point, give me a call or get in my calendar. I'd love to talk to you about living in Sewall's Point or any of the outlying areas. We'd love to help you out.